Mrs. Aoya Bema, I would share Bama Tedua. Somewhere press conference. Nebo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia reading Nedio Matembium. Say, oh, Bema, now so do Oya Bema. Say, atinte who chiatua, ye rigatana. Atinte who, say, chiatua, ye rigatana. What you say? It's Oya Bema, now so do Oya Bema. Now, Cossessa, Robert and Capo. And we on.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Danny from Mr. President. Maybe whom from Mr. President and Major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section or Major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President and Major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the Munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo President. Now so the problem about India so selkebi. Na my kan yi you were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo mi amade na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye mprint ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of the decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, one, once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I did be a home bachelor.
Mrs. Aoya Bema, I would share Bama Tedua. Somewhere press conference. Nebo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia reading Nedio Matembium. Say, oh, Bema, now so do Oya Bema. Say atinte ho twa ye hwigatana atinte ho say twa ye hwigatana. What you say? It's all your bemma na so do your bemma na ko sesa Robert Capo any we ontuma mu wi ontuma mu ntampe kwasia ye sanya kukudro na be press conference na be di Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia tambiem na hwe ehon na be hu say atintehuo na atwa ho ahia no atintehuo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hwan na hu so ase reader oye wini Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni fie ye to wi ho Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia what to say so ni nia ba bia kwakowo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hwan na to say so kwa woro bonkrofo e wa brochire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What you say? Etu ye bema wuchie mema tadua ye press conference na say bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din say wudi na tambiem. Papa your desk yesu Mr. Patrick Nyako me bra papa bi asem we ba ye just a call pa le be din de me bra ya me hira wate nya me ma kwa tenten bema bema nyonyam ni nya me hira o no mo ho ban me say onyame o ma kwa tenten ahodin wom na o hira o ma me o ti ase me firi wa na ayi na nabi onyame hira wate ayi general secretary MPP general secretary nyame san mo ho ban na san fa post nso on sabiem incoming na me say inshallah be wini what you say na nyame hu mmobo mame what you say nyame ohun mmobo na ye first how akumsin ye first adenta Beyonce amasama MP munyina nyame nhira mu amu amiti mu nyina mu din mesra mu agye awo headquarters miti mu nyina mu din obi biala supporter TikTokers obi bia me se nyame nhira mu no mom ho ba mame what you say eti Mr. Patrick Nyako onyame nhira mame nyame on shirawo any MPP lawyer ya obejira machi ya me refu di kakra fa cheme nyame shirawo papa nyame shirawo obi a metia mo odi mu fa cheme na me hye de nim din ni bebre ti mesramo just kodua oh nyame shirawo wate nyame shirawo bibia no kan bibia ho
entry my intio
obi say unya hwema wasewa unsa
monochrome dabe
o man ni maye den teacher for intio mo kan ebi kioso no usa abo mo ekro no uti studio ha na obi ma send you video bi Sunyani East MP no
Sunyani
Kokoro
your friend Sunyani
JJ masema waka o se susek for e man invitation when you school ho nti wonko je kasa bohwe botre wa
na se when you school ho say no
also nti wonko invitation na susek for no sebe omotimi kro mekuase from Mariawusi kasatan time sa no mo kasere timemufo no na nka Pedro a minim no
ye beba studio ha ya be church nsin mama Ghana for hu say pharmacist for the adwuma ye ne de so nipa o hwe omo owe adwuma mkra na bu akro bu a wa ye adwuma on timi ko leave obu a me say steady leave ko benya kra no nya because the numbers this
why you overwhelmed
the numbers this so and as you see because of family nearby in the adwuma no I am more those days no mo say your dispensary oba na yama we draw but see ano because family na quite more patient oriented in the scope no widen ohwe international standards kra na equity do won say pharmacists bin say obekọ ayaresabia no world ho kra no won o down payment no pharmacy na ba on chain wabe church and draw that so wabe
bunch of human beings
exactly
now Joyce Bawa Kroya she equally participated in the Air Ghana saga.
Okay.
Drama. Okay. They are clueless about their own governance.
Okay. So the thing is, if unima dear koso abemu, at least you are the presidency, yes, senior presidential staffer. And BBC cry, you first of all need to cross check, and because even some of us cry any position biano, some information biana. Me, call out, you need to be very, very sure about that so that you can mount a very solid defense for whatever you say. But these are people, omodi and say pay as you go. The focus is not about go and churning out credible information. No, omodi and say let's always bring out information to entertain our base. And I don't know if they are that achievement bankruptcy, and I believe they have some achievement bankruptcy because only achievement bankruptcy. Why is it say you can't share what your government has been able to do for the past 2 years? Whatever you are doing is said, and I will share. Yesterday, I dealt with this particular issue. Say, you can't come and tell us, say, Tamale Yendi Road, free abemu. Now it was almost close to 80% completion. So when we say the Adam is about 20%. You can't do 20% and come and tell us that we should praise John Mahama and we should praise Big Push for the 20%. And I say why you cry? You can't come and tell us we should praise Big Push and praise John Mahama. And if that's the case, then we can equally say that we should praise Nanado for Terminal 3 and KJT Market. If that's the way, because Akufo in the complete Terminal 3, Akufo in the complete KJT Market, and the records are there. But no, we are not achievement. We are not bankrupt when it comes to achievement. There are so many things about media. So we don't need to come and steal someone's project or try our possible best to say oh we near by hook or crook fancy and I have go about on a base who say BB. We serious person and about say such a road within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. Who is serious individual or gang? And Obeka said within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. But yes, they know their audience. They know the people that they are dealing with. The people who choose Nkukwankiti over digitalization. People who choose Kenke and Fish over digitalization there.
Say Anna Abino will manage you. Say Anna the government will think about you. Say Anna Abino will say, oh, yeah, because you don't think, you don't research, you don't look for fact. Cause someone got something from Pomonche and mo base on 6 million. So anytime that they feel like bringing set things out, they should know that we the 4 million are there to expose their hypocrisy. We are there to expose their lies and their deception. The nipa crow yes are supposed to not delete. So the thing Okoshe Joyce Muktari it is still there. The share no ho, but content in ho because any nipa crow no share on nipa.
And I say I'm a Udifo, my mom is canoe to make about cocoa, meaning baby or Virginia, which I say, I've been Washington, D.C., Washington State. The mamma corner second simple, no be ability. You are more NDC phone because your phone is no mushroom. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may be a cocoon.
Well, plenty to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me, Jamaican, say, as someone or can, and just say, and your mabo and through.
But the
Jawa can want it, or my panic can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know? The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
On my, Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear Mimi or my car, Mimi Tessie, and a 2 of Madame Maker. Say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about make can say petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from Kaka. Yes, I don't mokai. Ah, yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Abanka to me petrol.
Is right. So at the end of
what I say,
the pastor is asking, say, he's also asking Argentina. Sanyama way in every Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?